Good evening, students. Here is the key for the test you have taken today morning. First question is you should write contrapositive and converse statement for the given proportional statements. So the first one is if it doesn't rain, then it is not cloudy. If it is raining, then it is cloudy. Okay, so this is actually the contrapositive and converse. You should be very careful with the interchanging of antecedent and consequent. Okay, next question is one expression is given to you and you are asked to verify whether it is a tautology or contingency or contradiction. So in a given expression there is only one input P. If one input means how many combinations you have to write? Two combinations, 0, 1, and the expression is P dash plus P into 1. So P dash is 1 plus 0 into 1, 1. 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. So in all the outcome, the values present are 1. Then it is called as tautology. Thus the expression is proved. Next one is, what do you mean by well-formed formula? Well-formed formula is writing proportional statements in short form. So for making you to understand, here I have given you one example. Next, you should write expression for B P biconditional Q. So for writing truth table, you should know the expression. What is the expression for biconditional? P dash Q dash plus PQ. Simply write the expression and substitute the values accordingly. Now you will get the truth table. Fifth question is, list the connectives used for writing compound proportion. Conjunction, A into B, disjunction, A plus B, negation, A dash, implication, A dash plus B, equivalence, A dash B plus AB. Next, so I have given you two different statements, and for those two statements you should write expressions, again proportional statements. Well-formed formula is given to you, you should write the statements. First one is P into Q dash. So what you have to do, you should write the same statement given for P. As the symbol used is dot, you should use the word and dash, Q dash. Q dash in the sense you have to negate the given statement. So from the well-formed formula you have to understand the operation should be converted to connectives, and then just change it. Insert the words accordingly in given proportional statements and write down the statements. So last one, look into the last one, P dash into Q dash. So this can be written as neither today is holiday nor I will attend the birthday party. This question is very important question. Set of inputs will be given in given as a proportional statements, and conditions will be given to you. As of in this problem they have given you 4 inputs. So for all the 4 inputs we should derive how many combinations? 16 combinations can be derived, and output column. How you have to find out the output? By reading the conditions, constraints. 3 different constraints were given. So you should find out the constraints where which variables are in the AND form, which variables are in the OR form, or any other negation or some other conditions were used. You have to identify, and based on that the final output column is evaluated. Here is the solution key for the given problem, and the question is sum, product of sum we have to write. Then first of all you should find the sum terms. Sum term should be written for all the 0 values. Only 3 0 values are here, so I have written the 3 terms, and product of sum. Once all the sum terms were got, all these should be combined with product. That's all. Please note down all the problems solved in this assessment in your classwork notebook. This will be helpful to you during your board examination preparation. So keep the document safely and also record the same in classwork notebook. Thank you.